Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a quick video about the Can-Am trunk accessory for your Maverick Trail. So here you go. You can see that the trunk has already been installed. This is one of my more favorite mods we've done to the Can-Am. It's pretty easy. You just pop these two guys off and then you can open it up and you see all of the supposedly watertight, I haven't tested it that deep yet, storage space that you get. It goes all the way back to the coolant access panel. It does come with rubber grommets, as you can see, to fill in all of the, I believe those are link Q attachment points. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't used those myself yet. But the install process for these is actually pretty easy. It's going to come in one big piece. This is already attached when you get it. The opening is attached. It comes in one big giant box. You're going to see along the back of your Can-Am, you'll see where my bolts are. And there's going to be another one in right there. And there's a couple up front here. You'll look and you'll see that there are actually little indents, little dimples, little inserted parts into the plastic. And that's exactly where you have to drill. And the instructions that you print off online are kind of crappy. They tell you to only drill 1/8 of an inch because you might damage something, but you can, don't listen to that. Just drill until you pop through the plastic and stop right after. You'll be fine. That's what we did. You just apply a little bit of slight pressure and you'll be through that plastic in no time, and then you're good to go. The screws, I'm always weary of screwing metal into plastic because you can strip it easy. So I suggest that you properly line everything up how you want it to be. Kind of seat the screws, don't screw them all the way in. And then once you're happy with the alignment and making sure that your buckles, these were actually the hardest part, making sure your buckles are lined up, then go ahead and start screwing them in. Kind of how you would do a tire. I did them kitty corner to each other. That way you knew it was lined up properly. And this actually right here is pretty useful. This is a little grommet that you can take out, and this is how you can access your coolant tank, so you can get a funnel in there and properly fill it in. I thought that was kind of be a pain in the ass until I realized that it had that little rubber access port there. These are kind of hard to do, the little latch mechanisms. So before you put this on, because this is part of the cam. This isn't part of the trunk. Sorry. This, you kind of slide it in there, and then there's like an insert. I don't know what you call it, maybe thread locker, and then you bolt in right there. So you have to go in, line up with the insert inside of this, and then screw it down. Like I said, that was probably the hardest part, and still only this entire install probably took me about 15-20 minutes to put on. It's really easy. Once you get over the fear of screwing into the plastic frame of the rear of your Can-Am, it gets pretty easy. That, and then you do it to pop this guy in, but that's literally just popping those sockets on, and then you have a gas piston that helps you with it. So overall, the trunk was definitely worth it. A lot of people that see it while we're out and they have other Mavericks, they always say they want to get it. Just because I know a lot of people use the Husky box, and that's a good viable option. We're gonna try it, obviously, but we didn't like how it looked, so we decided to go with the Can-Am original part, just because it is designed to work properly and fit the aesthetics of the machine. You can see how all the lines match, and it just fits in there perfectly. And it does give you up top, it does give you 2 points for mounting additional link Q attachments. So one here, one over there. Overall, I really like it. I would recommend it. It's a little expensive, so maybe try to catch it on like an eBay sale or a used one off eBay. Other than that, I would recommend it.